Welcome to JH. Today we're looking at annualcreditreport.com. Have you heard of it? This site claims to be the official portal authorized by federal law to provide free annual credit reports from Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion. It sounds useful, but in a world where free usually comes with a mountain of hidden fees and soul-crushing spam, it's natural to wonder if it's actually legit. Let's dive in and see if it's the real deal or just another digital trap. First, the site was registered all the way back in 2004, making it nearly 20 years old. In internet years, that's practically ancient, and usually, that kind of longevity suggests a level of stability you won't find with a site born yesterday. Another point in its favor is that they actually provide a physical address and a functional contact form. It's a nice touch, giving you a specific place to direct your existential dread if your credit score isn't quite what you hoped for. Having multiple ways to reach them suggests they aren't planning on vanishing into the night with your data. Furthermore, the platform is maintained by Central Source LLC and sponsored directly by the Big Three credit bureaus. This means you can snag all your reports from one single location rather than playing digital hide-and-seek across three different, equally confusing websites. Having the backing of the major bureaus definitely adds a layer of credibility that's hard to argue with, even for the most cynical among us. We even checked the opinions of the experts over on Reddit, and the feedback is surprisingly positive. Many users find the site incredibly helpful for keeping an eye on their financial life, though some are dedicated enough to check their reports every single week, which sounds like a very stressful and time-consuming hobby. Of course, it's not perfect. There are occasional glitches where reports simply won't load, occasionally forcing users to resort to the ancient, prehistoric arts of phone calls or snail mail. It seems even government-authorized sites aren't immune to a little digital incompetence now and then. So, is annualcreditreport.com legit? Absolutely. With its long history, clear contact options, and government authorization, it's a solid, trustworthy platform for your credit needs. Just don't be shocked if a site that's been around since the era of flip phones has a minor technical coughing fit every once in a while. Thanks for sticking around until the end. If you found this helpful, subscribe for more updates and tips that might actually save you a headache.